Alright guys, this is the last group. There are 3 questions from this section. There will be one similar to number 11 where you have a single equation simplified or solved for just a single variable so that you can substitute it in. There will be one similar to number 15 where you have the same coefficients for the variables like for z, and then you will have one similar to 14 where you're going to have to multiply at least one of the equations by something in order to eliminate a variable. So let's go ahead and take a look at those 3 different types. Number 11, I would take this expression for b and plug it into equations 1 and 2. So for number 11, I'm going to put expression 3 with the value for b into that first one. So you have 3a plus 2a minus 1. The parentheses really don't matter since we're adding, but it's a good idea to do it just in case. Plus c equals 7. And then putting this into the second equation, you have, I'm going to write that over here. A plus 3 times 2a plus, not plus, minus 1 minus c equals 13. And then what I need to do is simplify both of these equations. So you have 3a plus 2a, which is 5a, minus 1 plus c is 7. We want to add 1 to both sides so that we have just the variables on the right. We have 5a plus c equals 8. And then this is equation 4 because we created it by substituting equation 3 into equation 1. Right. Now let's simplify the second one. We're going to distribute that 3. So a plus 3 times 2a is 6a. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And then you have minus c equals 13. Add the a and the 6a together, giving you 7a minus 3 minus c is 13. We're going to add 3 to both sides. And then you have 7a minus c equals 16. And then this is equation 5 because we created it by putting equation 3 into equation 2. Now, if you'll notice, both of your c's have the same coefficient but opposite signs. So let's go ahead and add equations 4 and 5 together, and that's going to give you 7a minus c equals 16. So 5a plus 7a is 12a. C minus c cancels out, and 8 plus 16 is 24. Divide both sides by 12, and a is 2. Now we want to plug this into one of the 2 equations. I'm going to put it into number 4. So you have 5 times 2 plus c equals 8. So let's subtract 10 from both sides, and you have c is negative 2. And now we want to put that value for a or c into the equation that we had up here for b. B is equal to 2a minus 1. So b equals 2 times 2 minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, which is 3. Now we write that as the ordered triple, alphabetic order, 2, 3, negative 2. So 2, 3, negative 2, and that is your answer. All right, so now let's take a look at number 14. Let me see what's going on with this thing. Right. So we have x. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. It closed it out.